Hello everyone, Teacher Jonas here, and today we're going to review about multiplication and division. Now, let's start with multiplication of four-digit numbers, which we learned last class. So, this is a four-digit number, 4,851 times 8 equals, we don't know. Let's find out the answer. Now, the best way to do it is to write it in the column form. See, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands lined up. So, firstly, we start with 6 times 1. 6 times 1 is easy. It's 6, right? Next, we go to 6 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. So we put the 0 here and we carry the 3 to the hundreds up here. So next is 6 times 8. Now what is 6 times 8? It's 48, right? But we cannot write 48 here because we have a 3 here. 48 plus 3 is 51. We write the 1 here and carry the 5 up here like this. Now we go to the last digit left, which is in the thousands. 6 times 4. 6 times 4 equals 24 plus 5 equals 29. We have the final answer. So, 4,851 times 8 equals 29,106. Don't forget the comma when your number is more than hundreds. When it's in thousands, don't forget to put the comma. Now, this is the new topic. You already learned about this last semester, but we're going to review and learn more about it. So, today's topic is division and remainder. Remainder, I hope you remember it. Now, as you remember, division has 3 syllables. Division. Division. Together. Division. Just like multiplication, which we just learned. So we have multiplication and we have division. Now, division has 2 or 3 symbols that we need to learn about. First is divided by, which is like this, or like this, or like this. And equals, divided by, equals. So, division is about splitting into equal parts or groups. So, for example, when we say 8 divided by 2, it means we want to cut 8 into 2 different pieces which are equal. So, when you cut 8 into half, into 2 groups, we have how many in each one? 4 in each group. Now, the name of each of these components are 8 is dividend, divided by, 2, divisor, equals, 4. 4 is quotient. Now, we can write it in this form. Long division. Now, long division looks like this. 8 dividend like this. Instead of writing divided by, we put whoop whoop like this. And we put the divisor on the left. Now, the quotient or the answer will be on the top. Now, I know you're like, oh, teacher, too much information, too many words. I know. This is not the important part. The important part is if you can do division or not. So, let's do division together. 249 divided by 3 equals, I don't know. We must do long division. I know it's too easy for you, but let's do it. So we write it in the long division form. Instead of writing it like this, we write it like this. 249 divided by 3. So, it's easy. we look at the first digit, which is 2. We ask ourselves, how many 3's, which is our divisor, will fit into a 2? So how many 3's fit into 2? We know that you cannot fit 3 into 2. So the answer is none or 0. So let's put 0 on the top as the quotient, but not here, but on top of 2. Now, if the quotient for a digit is 0, like this one, we divide this digit and the next digit together. So you see 2, the quotient is 0. So we divide the divisor, right? 2 and 4. Because we cannot do only 2. So 2 and 4, which is 24. So this time, we ask ourselves, how many 3's are in 24? Easy. This is 24 divided by 3, right? The answer is 8. So you write 8 up here. Now, 8 times 3 is 24. Now we subtract them. So 24 minus 24 equals 0. Very good. Now let's go to the next, which is the next digit. But before we do that, let's bring it down here. Okay? So, how many 3's are in 9? Too easy. There are 3 3's in 9. So 3 times 3, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Huh, we have the answer. It's 83. Now guys, we can ignore 0 because 0 means nothing. So the full answer, let's read it all together. 249 divided by 3 equals 83. Easy peasy, I know, and good job to you. Now let's do one a little harder. 726 divided by 4 equals, I don't know, let's do long division. Let's go. Look at the first digit, which is 7. Can you tell me how many 4's will fit into a 7? You have 7, right? How many 4's? 1, only 1, right? So we can only fit 1 4 in 7. But we're going to have to subtract it, right? 1 times 4 equals 4. Now, 7 minus. Okay, so now we look at 2. We bring 2 down. Don't forget it, okay? You have to bring the next digit down. So 2 comes down and it becomes 32. Since we have a remainder from last time, 3, we should now divide both digits together. So we don't say how many 4's are in 2. No. We say how many 4's are in 32. So 32 divided by 4. Easy answer. It is 8. We write the 8 on the top and write the product of 8 times 4, which is 32 here. Now we subtract, which is easy. It's 0. Now we go to the next digit, which is 6. What do? We bring it down here. So now that we brought 6 down, we have to ask the question. How many 4's fit into a 6? Only 1, right? And we will have a remainder of 2. So only 1 4 can fit into a 6. Like this, only 1. So we write 1 on the top and the product of 1 and 4. 1 times 4, we write it below 6. So it's 4. Now we have nothing left to bring down and we can't divide 2 by the 4 that we have here, right? So what do? We have 2 down here and 4. We don't have any more digits to bring down. This means that we are done. This means that this 2 is our remainder. This is our remainder. And 181 is our quotient, remember? So, 726 divided by 4 equals 181 with remainder of 2 or R2. That's it. Quite easy. Next class, we're going to learn the division of bigger numbers, like a number in thousands, 4-digit numbers. Until next time, I am so proud of you guys. You guys are so smart. Now, until next time, Teacher Jonas out. Bye bye, everyone. See you.